Hello, I'm Roger Patterson with Rogers Plumbing. I want to take a minute and let you know about the Jolly Roger That Club and the benefits of that. And the first of that is going to be priority. Whenever you do call us, we'll move you up ahead in the schedule as much as possible. Another huge benefit is we do a whole house inspection, plumbing safety check. We'll even camera a drain line to make sure you have no emergencies waiting to happen. And then also we have a 10% reduced rate off our most common repairs. As far as our service fee is concerned, we'll waive that 100% moving forward. And then we'll even offer a 3-year instead of a 2-year warranty on our most common repairs. Our technician that's coming out for you today, he can give you a lot more details about that. So please ask him about it. And again, thank you. Thank you for trusting us, and thank you for inviting us into your home to provide plumbing service.